Vimala Dermatological Centre, located in Yari Road, Versova, Mumbai, is a symbol of love and service to all, especially to the Hansenian community. Popularly known as Vimala Hospital, built and inaugurated on 18th November 1977, is managed and run by the MSI Sisters, known as Missionary Sisters of the Immaculate, or the Nirmala Sisters. It aims at providing the best healthcare facilities, totally free of cost to the leprosy patients and at an affordable cost to the common people. The outpatient department of the hospital operates twice a week on Friday from 2:30 to 5 p.m. and on Saturday from 8 to 11 a.m. The general wards of the hospital, which are situated in two different wings for male and female, comprises of 80 beds. The center is engaged in leprosy control program since 1977 in K West Ward of Greater Mumbai by the government of Maharashtra. It is an urban area consisting of 56 slums with a population of around 800,000, which is taken care by the paramedical workers through regular surveys to detect new cases of leprosy as well as to create awareness among people and children in the schools. The hospital has different departments such as surgical department, dressing room, pathological department, X-ray department, physiotherapy unit, microcellular rubber department, eye care unit, ENT outpatient department, ortho outpatient department, pharmacy, home for children of leprosy patients. Vimala Hospital operates as a fully equipped hospital for leprosy patients, and its services are highly valued by the people in the vicinity. Over the years, it has served tens and thousands of patients with love, compassion, and dedication.